Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square. This is a very easy granny square to do. I will show you from the beginning to the end, starting from the middle and working our way out in circles and finally making it into a square. You can do this square only by following this tutorial, but if you think this is going too fast, you can always slow down the speed on the settings below. For the yarn, I have used DK weights, and then I've used a 4.5mm crochet hook. I have another tutorial where I show it in multiple colors. It's not that different, but a little bit. If you love granny squares as much as I do, then jump into my playlist of granny squares, where I'm working on doing a tutorial of each and every granny square in the world. So let's begin with this one. So first we make a slip knot. And then we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the first chain right here, we will do a double crochet into this. So yarn over and insert the hook into the first chain and do a double crochet. And the chains here counts as the first double crochet, and then this one is the next. So now we have what counts as 2 double crochet. Find your first chain again and do another double crochet into this. And continue doing double crochets in a circle until you have 16 double crochets in total. So now you have 1, 2, 3. Continue until you have 16 in total. When you have 16 double crochet, you now join with a slip stitch in the top chain up here. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this now counts as 1 double crochet with 2 chains. Then do a double crochet in the next stitch. And chain 2. 1, 2. And then a double crochet in the next. Then chain 2 and a double crochet in the next. You will continue like this all the way around. First chain 2, then a double crochet in the next, then chain 2 and a double crochet in the next, all the way around. And finally, when you're all the way around, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain. So now you have 16 gaps and 16 double crochet. Now you do a slip stitch in the next chain space over here, just a slip stitch, and then you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains now counts as the first double crochet. Do another 2 double crochet into this same space. Then chain 1 and do 3 double crochet into the next space. So you just yarn over and insert the hook directly into the space and do 3 double crochet. After this, you chain 1 and then 3 double crochet in the next space. Then chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next space. Continue like this all the way around. And then to finish, you will slip stitch in the top chain. Then you chain 1 and then you single crochet into this space. So just insert the hook into this space and single crochet. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then a single crochet in the next space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Find your next space, single crochet into this. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and find your next space. Single crochet into this. So now we have 3 of these chains. Now you'll do the corner. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then in the next chain space, you'll single crochet. and then chain 3. Find your next space, single crochet. Repeat this all the way around. Now you have your corner space right here. Then do 3 of these chains with chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and then the next corner after 3 of those, that will be 6 chains and then a single crochet. Repeat this all the way around. And then in the final corner, you join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet you did of the round, just 1 slip stitch. And then we are finished with this round. So for the next round, we will do a slip stitch in the first little chain space we have after the corner. So just 1 slip stitch and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And these 3 chains now count as the first double crochet. You will do 3 double crochet in each of these small chain spaces. So do another 2 double crochet into this first chain space. So you have 3 in total. So just another 2 double crochet. So you now have 3 double crochet in this first chain space. Now you'll do 3 double crochet in the next 2 spaces. And then when you make it to the first corner, you'll do 5 double crochet to begin with in this space. So just insert the hook into the next corner space right here. And then do 5 double crochet. And I always just pull them together just a little bit. And then I will do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And then 5 double crochet into the same space. So first 5 double crochet, chain 3, and another 5 double crochet into the same corner space. And this is how we do it for each of the corners. Then we do 3 double crochet in each of these spaces. So just insert the hook in the first space and do 3 double crochet into the first space, then 3 double crochet into the next and the next. So you have 3 of these clusters of 3 double crochet. Then when you make it to the next corner, you'll just repeat this 5 double crochet, chain 3, 5 double crochet into this same space. And you'll just repeat this all the way around. At the end of the round, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain. Now for the finishing round, you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you do 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the corner. So just do 1 double crochet until you make it to the corner. And in the corner, do 1 double crochet in this corner space. Then you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and another double crochet in the same corner space. And that's what you do for each of the corners. Then do 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way to the next corner, then 1 double crochet in the chain space and 3 chains and another double crochet, and then continue all the way around. And finally, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain. And then you can cut the yarn, pull this one through, and you're done. So, I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!